In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add bookmarks in Bluebeam. To do that, you first need to head over to bluebeam.com and you can either try it free or buy this particular product. In order to do that, you just need to click on this button right here and then sign up. However, if you already have an account, just proceed to click onto this login option that will appear and then choose right here which part of Bluebeam are you gonna log in. Now, it will actually prompt you to download the file, and here is the Bluebeam file. To add a bookmark, you just navigate to your desired page. I have right here my particular PDF. So onto this case, to open the bookmarks panel, just click on the window right above right here, and then from in there, click on panels, and then look for bookmarks. You can also just click on Alt B in order to open this. Now this should open right here your bookmarks. As you can see, I don't have any yet. So to add one, just click on this icon right here. Now this will name this directly based on the name of your file, but you can also name it differently. For example, let's name this Plan 1. Then click on enter, and then that bookmark will be created, and you can just click on it in order to head over to that particular bookmark again. So this will create the bookmark directly, and you can also click on this hover and you can add before, add after, and also add a child between this particular bookmarks. You can also click on this right here in order to create one, or click on this in order to add. If you click on create, this will change it depending on the page label, page region, page scale, as well as the pages that this will bookmark directly. So just choose which one is the most appropriate for you. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.